Step 1. Eligibility requirements. Before you can become an armed security guard in Illinois, you must qualify to work as a registered security employee. To qualify, you must be at least 18, be at least 21 to carry a firearm, be legally eligible to work in the U.S., pass a fingerprint-based criminal background check, have no disqualifying felony convictions, hold a valid government-issued photo ID. Step 2. Complete fingerprinting and a background check. Illinois requires a LiveScan fingerprint background check before applying for a PERC card. Fingerprinting must be completed through an Illinois State Police-approved vendor. Bring your government-issued photo ID and your application information. Step 3. Apply for your PERC card. The Permanent Employee Registration Card, or PERC, is the license required to work security in Illinois. To obtain it, you must complete 20 hours of basic security training, submit the PERC application to IDFPR, include your fingerprint transaction number, and pay the application fee. Once issued, the PERC card allows you to work unarmed security jobs and is required before pursuing armed authorization. The PERC card is a physical card. IDFPR mails you an actual plastic wallet card. All links are in the video description. Step 4. Complete firearm training and qualification. Before you can carry a firearm while working security in Illinois, you must complete state-approved firearms training. Training is conducted by IDFPR-approved firearm instructors. Topics typically include Illinois use of force, safe firearm handling and storage, weapon retention, liability and firearm law, range qualification, and marksmanship. After you complete training, your instructor gives you a certificate of completion. It includes your firearm training number, which you will need for the FCC application. Quick note, if these licensing guides have helped you navigate the security industry, consider supporting the channel through YouTube memberships. Members get custom badges next to their name in the comments, custom emojis you can use in discussions and live chats, and member shoutouts in future videos, as a thank you for supporting the channel. Like my current members, Redeverit, Colonia, and Windblend. Thank you for your support. It's completely optional, but it helps keep the channel running. Step 5. Get hired by a licensed security contractor. In Illinois, armed authorization is typically submitted through your employer, not directly by the guard. Most employers will require a valid PERC card, proof of firearm training, identification documents, background verification. Once hired, your employer can submit the paperwork needed for your armed authorization. Step 6. Your employer submits your firearm control card authorization. The Firearm Control Card, or FCC, is the credential that allows a security employee to carry a firearm while working. In Illinois, this authorization is tied to the licensed security contractor employing you. Requirements include active PERC card, completed firearm training, being 21 years old or older, and the application fee. Once approved, you may legally carry a firearm while working security assignments for that employer. From starting training to receiving armed authorization approval, the process typically takes 4 to 8 weeks. The FCC is also a physical card issued by the IDFPR that lists the employing security contractor, shows your authorization to carry while working, and includes expiration information. Step 7. Let's break down the typical cost to become an armed security guard in Illinois. This is starting from scratch. Fingerprinting is $50 to $70. 20-hour security training is $100 to $200. The PERC application is $55. The firearm training can be $200 to $400. The firearm control card is $75. The estimated total, starting from scratch, that is unarmed to armed, the total is $480 to $800. Now, if you're already licensed as an unarmed guard, the cost is firearm training around $200 to $400, and the firearm control card $75. Estimated total is $275 to $475. Just note, these totals don't include the cost of your firearm, holster, ammunition, or duty gear. And for perspective, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median wage for security guards in Illinois is approximately $18.57 per hour, or $38,630 per year. Armed guards typically earn more. According to ZipRecruiter, the average armed security wages in Illinois are $24 an hour. That means armed guards often earn $5 more per hour than unarmed guards. Step 8. License approval and renewal. Once your firearm control card is approved, you're authorized to carry a firearm while performing security duties for the licensed security contractor that sponsored your application. To remain compliant as an armed security guard in Illinois, you must keep 3 things active: your PERC card, which is your base security license issued by the state, your firearm control card, which authorizes you to carry a firearm and is tied to the licensed security contractor employing you, your firearm qualification and training, which must remain current in order to carry a weapon on duty. You can verify your state licensing status through the Illinois Department of Financial and Professional Regulation License Lookup Portal. This portal allows you to confirm that your PERC card and firearm authorization are active and in good standing. However, firearm range qualification records are typically maintained by your employer, not the state. That means you must also ensure your training and qualification remain current with the security contractor you work for. If you leave your employer, the new company must submit authorization under their license before you can work armed again. Step 9. Start working armed and stay informed. Once your authorization is approved, you can begin working armed security assignments. Join the r/Guard Guides community on Reddit to compare pay and experiences across states. For resumes and study aids, visit guardguides.com and my Etsy store. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Guard Guides, and be safe.